Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. In a previous video, we have seen about interquartile range. In this video, let us see about kurtosis. Let's get into the video. As discussed earlier, today we are going to discuss about kurtosis. Kurtosis is one of the concepts of statistics where it will tell about how the tail is distributed from the center. Distribution of the tail. Okay. Now the normal distribution will be like this. If suppose the distribution is increased suddenly and then decrease suddenly, we tell this distribution as light-tailed. At the same time, if the distribution is increased slowly and decreased gradually, we tell this as high-tailed or heavy-tailed. Actually, the data will look like this when we do a column chart like this. And then the light tail will look like this. So what is kurtosis? We have two types of kurtosis. One is positive value and the other one is negative value. Let us see the graph of this. This is a normal distribution. It will rise on a certain level and then it will decrease. Positive kurtosis means which is raised suddenly and decreased exponentially. This we tell as positive kurtosis. Negative kurtosis, slowly it will rise and slowly it will decrease. Now we are clear about what is kurtosis and their types. Let us see how to code them in Python. Now we have three values. If the value is 0, then there is no kurtosis. If the value is less than 0, it is negative kurtosis. And if the value is greater than 0, then we tell that as positive kurtosis. If there is no kurtosis, we tell that as mesokurtic. Less than 0 means we tell this as platykurtic. And if it is greater than 0 means we tell this as leptokurtic. Now let's code this. The required package is we import kurtosis from scipy.stats. Now we have a certain set of values in X. While calling kurtosis, we pass this X and give Fisher equal to false. Here we give Fisher equal to false because we are using Poisson definition. If we use the Fisher equal to true, then we use the Fisher definition. As we use Poisson definition, the value should be 3. Means if we get 3 as a value, then it is a normal distribution. If it is less than 3, our kurtosis will be automatically become negative kurtosis. If it is greater than 3, it is positive kurtosis. Now let us execute this. Now we get 2.04. Since the value is less than 3, we get the platycutic. But since it is near to 3, we get as flat peak. This is what kurtosis is. We have seen what is kurtosis and its implementation. In our next video, let us discuss some other statistic concept. Until then, it is bye from our favorite We and Data channel.